Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness, a Lifestyle. And I just remembered when I did that, I remembered Shane. I've been obsessed with Shane Dawson recently, watching his videos. And I mean, I didn't even know about him at all, but I think few months back I started watching some of his videos and I just liked it when he did the Jeffree Star series, and actually got interested when he did the Tanacon series, and then I just fell in love with him. And then I was like now I'm obsessed with his Jake Paul series, and I've been watching him. So in that, I think there was a conspiracy video on why every video when he comes on he just does like that, and it is to get like the audience attention. You're like doing that and starting the video, and then you get the attention of the audience. So I just remember that when I did that, so maybe that's why I like when I start I'm like doing like that. So anyway, okay, so let's get on with the video. Sorry guys. So this one today, the one I'm going to be doing is another handbag, another subscriber. Now I'm trying to do all my subscribers requests right now because I want to get through that first before I do any other video. So this was a subscriber requested video on this handbag, and I think she asked for dimensions, and I will put that in the description of this video. I'll just measure it and put the dimensions, but I thought it's better to show what fits in. That way you get much better idea. So I filled the same stuff that you would have seen in my other video, because I did another video where I showed the Kipling Cyro. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload that first or this first. It depends if I'm not, if the video has gone right, like the recording is fine. So in that I had showed the same things. I put it in here, so you can see that if you compare that bag to this, the Cyro to this, and this is called Angie. This is the Angie, and the color is cool turquoise. So I've already made a video on the handbag, so I'm not going to review the handbag, but I'm just going to show what fits in here. So this does not have any separation in the middle, so it's just one whole big compartment like that, and it has a zip compartment here. It has two of the, what is this called, open pockets here. So I put the same stuff in here. I put my big wallet. So I'm just going to remove one by one what I have in here and show you guys. I have my big wallet in here. I have and underneath the wallet I have my same pouch, the lipstick pouch, and then this catch-all that I keep it in every bag. And then, so those are the three items I have in the middle. And on the pockets I just have the same compact powder, gum, compact powder, and stuff like that. And then my phone, I didn't keep it there. I kept my phone in here because this has a pocket here that you cannot see. There's a zip right here. So in this compartment here, I put my phone, and I also fit in the small wallet. Now to compare, you can see that this wallet fits in that compartment inside there. So that is the length of that. That's how deep that goes. So you can actually put like a tiny small wallet. If you have like that, it goes in there. And then my phone still has space on the top. If you see, there's still space. So it goes in really good. Let me try like this. This is my Samsung S5 Active, and see that, yeah, it's a little longer. So I think if I remove the cover, I may be able to fit in, but that's fine. I need to change my phone. I have this phone forever and ever and ever, and I need to upgrade, but I'm like, okay, it's functioning, why do that now? So I'm not changing it, but I need to. So there you go. So that much it fills in. And then, like I said, I've kept those two things here, and then in the back here there is this magnetic open pocket that you can put napkins and stuff. And then here, and I don't have like an iPad to show you guys to put it in and show, but oh, I should have got my son's Nabi. He has a Nabi tablet, a medium size one, so probably should have got that to try to keep it, but I didn't remember where I kept it, because This is what I do, guys. Like when kids are playing a lot on the electronics, I take it and I hide it somewhere, okay? And then what I do is I forget where I hid it, so it's like they won't find it forever, because I would have hid it somewhere, but I won't remember where, because I keep changing my place. Like I'll hide his tablet somewhere, or I'll hide the phone somewhere, or I'll hide my their Xbox stuff somewhere when I don't want them to be using it, and then I won't find it. So my kids get really irritated at me. They are like, you don't even remember. They are like, can you just tell, if you hide my stuff, can you tell him about it? Or if you hide his stuff, can you tell me about it? In that way, at least we'll remember. And I'm like, I don't want to give away my secret spots, because they know all the spots in the house. They will find it somehow. So I try to not reveal that to them. So anyway, so I lost my train of thought now. So that's how much this fills. Now, here there are these two small pockets. These mainly you can just keep like receipts and coins. You can keep coins in here, and then receipts, small, mostly useful for that. They are not like very big, but they are not that small either. Yeah, so, and you can even fit credit cards in here. That size is like as much as a credit card. And then what else? Let's see how the bottle fits. Now let's see how this small bottle fits in here, to see the length of it, like to see the depth. Sorry, I keep saying length for everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm moving my what is this, wallet and that catch-all to one side, and on the right side here I'm going to fit in this. Trying to show you guys and fit in. I think instead of filming my face like most of the people do, I should just film the purse. That would be a better thing from next time to do when I do purse reviews. Okay, so I put that bottle in, and it fit in perfectly fine. Oh, come on. Okay, I want to show that. Okay, so it fit in perfectly fine there. So that depth is as much as the Cyro. So you can do that. And I'm just going to try to fit this bottle on the top here, because in this, if you see, you can see there's a lot of space on the top, because that is kind of, the Cyro shape is kind of like that. So you feel like when you put in stuff, it goes like in the bottom, it starts bulging, right? But this one in the top also, you can keep stuff and fill it. So if I put this bottle here, right here, so you can see I put that bottle right there, and then I can pull this up like that. See that, the flap, the zip flap, and then I can close this with so much ease. And let me, wait, can I pull this up here? No, there you go. So it closed. So as you can see it's not like very tight, it's still this space. So that is how much it fits. See, so much. So as I would say that it fits in as much as the Cyro. So because this kind of sits rectangle like this, so it fills in like completely like that, right? But the Cyro kind of bunches on the bottom, and it gives that shape in the bottom like that, and then here it comes together. But here till the top you can put stuff. So really that's all, guys. So I just wanted to show how much this can fill, and I really love this color. I mean, if my sister doesn't want it, I'm going to keep it myself. Anyway, thank you so much for your support, and please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button, and see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye, guys.